In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split table cells in Confluence. If you've ever merged table cells to make a header or group-related content, you might later decide you need those cells separate again. Splitting a cell in Confluence simply reverses a previous merge, restoring the original grid so you can organize information more precisely. One important note before we start: the split option only appears for cells that were merged earlier. If the cell has never been merged, you won't see split available. Start by opening your Confluence page in the editor. If you're viewing the page, click Edit to enter editing mode. This ensures you can access the table tools and apply changes. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit the page and give the page a moment to load all the editing controls. Next, scroll to the table you want to adjust. It can help to click anywhere inside the table to bring up contextual controls. Take a quick look at the layout and identify the cell that needs to be split, especially if you're working with a complex header or nested rows. If you're not sure whether a cell was merged previously, a good hint is that it spans multiple columns or rows. Click to select the exact cell you want to split. You should see a clear highlight around it when it's selected. Place your cursor inside the cell, not on the table border, so Confluence knows which cell you're targeting. With the cell selected, move to the cell options icon that appears at the end or edge of the cell. This is a small contextual control that looks like a menu trigger. If you don't see it right away, try hovering near the cell's right edge or ensure the cell is actively selected. On smaller screens, you may need to scroll slightly to reveal it. Open that cell menu and choose Split Cell. Confluence will immediately undo the merge for that cell, restoring the original number of cells it had before merging. The existing content typically stays in the first of the new cells, so you may want to cut and paste text to distribute it evenly. The orientation of the split follows the original merge. If it was merged across columns, you'll get multiple columns back. If it was merged across rows, you'll get multiple rows back. If the split option is missing or grayed out, that usually means the cell wasn't merged to begin with. In that case, you can adjust your table by inserting new rows or columns instead. And if you make a mistake, use undo to quickly revert. That's all there is to it.